Importing the Save Premiere project. So I have an existing project going on. I have a few clips in my project, and what I want to do is I want to import an entirely Save Premiere Pro project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click down here in the open space in the project browser, and I'm going to come up and I'm going to go and find my file. I'm going to go and select this project, which is importing my layers Photoshop files, and I'm going to say open. When I do that, it's going to pop up a dialog box. I'm going to choose import the entire project. I could just do selected sequences if I want, and I could create a folder, and I could allow duplicating to happen. I'm just going to bring in the whole project. I'm going to say OK, and boom, you can see that these files came in over here. I'll even expand this and double click on it so you can see that this was a previous project. So in this way is really the only way we can bring all the information from our project in all at once. And so I can put that in a separate folder if you want to segregate things, but it's a nice way to bring in things from one project into another. So this is importing the Save Premiere project.